Well, we're right in the middle of holiday season with Christmas and New Year behind us, but China's New Year fast approaching. This year, the Lunar New Year coincides with Valentine's Day, another Western festival that is often also celebrated in China.
With the increasing prevalence of Western festivals marked in China, we asked ordinary Chinese residents what they first thought of when they think of Western culture. Here's what they had to say in today's edition of Straight from the Street.
As China reforms and opens up, there are a growing number of Western cultural influences, from food and fashion to ideas and ways of thinking. But Western technology is the thing that first springs to mind. I work in the technology sector, and I prefer to use Western technology and equipment. I also admire the work ethic found in the West. Another thing is young people today think it's fashionable to eat Western fast food instead of traditional Chinese food.
I think about Western education, which is hugely different from Chinese education.
I think of the Western diet and advanced concept, like a lot of the operating modes of companies in China now have. They have learned these concepts from the West.
Western culture has a very broad meaning. It can include literature, tourism, commerce, and culture, all of which have been affected by a Western influence. Because of my work, I think of Western business practices, which are not the same as Chinese ones. For example, the concept of shopping malls was learned from the West. I think China has a mix of advanced Western culture and traditional Chinese culture. There are more young people who like Western culture, especially Western holidays and festivals.
I mainly think of Western food like McDonald's and KFC, as well as American movies. Western culture is so different from traditional Chinese culture. China has never before encountered so many other countries' cultures. Chinese people are more curious about Western cultures. These influences will become increasingly tailored to local culture as they're adopted by more and more Chinese people.
Well, a wide variety of comments there. They mentioned technology and also KFC and McDonald's.
That's right, and Western education. So Western culture increasingly prevalent, and the effects of that seen here in China and have been for a few years.